Hey, it's Rebecca from Pack Hacker here, and in this review we're going to be taking a look at the Matador Freerain 24, the weather resistant and slightly larger version of the Matador DL16. Here at Pack Hacker we do reviews on travel gear and packs like this all the time, so if you're new here consider subscribing. Over the past 3 months we have been testing this pack at music festivals in the UK and up the mountains in Spain. So let's jump straight in to this review with the Matador Freerain 24. First of all, we are big fans of the simple, minimalistic and streamlined design of the Matador Freerain 24. We decided to ask our Instagram audience too, and an impressive 64% of you from 165 votes gave it the thumbs up. And if you want to take part in our next Instagram poll, make sure that you are following @PackHacker on Instagram. The singular piece of branding on display is a lovely white fabric logo on the front, similar to what you'll find on nearly every piece of Matador gear. And this bag is available in 2 colours, grey and indigo. Both will work in most environments and are equally unisex. Just a note though, even though we love this colour, we think it's closer to a teal than an indigo in our opinion. Moving on to the materials, the Freerain 24 is made of 30D siliconized Cordura ripstop nylon. If you're not a fabricaholic, this is a thin and lightweight material that is also durable and resistant to rips. And this fabric, combined with a Hyperlon roll top and internally sealed seams, makes the main compartment completely waterproof. Here at Pack Hacker, we have to put these kinds of things to the test. So we placed some tissue inside and fully submerged this pack in our bathtub. We did see some tiny air bubbles from the seams when we applied pressure on the bag, but we're pleased to say that no water got inside. It is important to note, however, that it's only the main compartment that is completely waterproof. The front zippered compartment does feature a highly weather resistant SBS sealed zipper, but when submerged, water did leak through. So whilst we don't recommend jumping into a lake with this pack on, if you are dodging waterfalls in Southeast Asia or dancing to your favourite band at a music festival, we are confident that this pack will keep all your items dry. The plastic buckles on the shoulder straps and load lifters are Duraflex, while the roll top buckle is an Onyx SR loop from ITW Nexus. You'll find Duraflex hardware on most backpacks, and we've never encountered any problems with them, whereas you may not have come across ITW Nexus before. But all you need to know is that they make a lot of military and defence buckles, so we're confident that they know what they're doing. The Matador Freerain 24 compresses down into a sack around the size of your hand, meaning as an additional day pack for your larger 1-bag travel pack, this thing isn't going to take up much space. And none at all if you attach it to the outside of your pack with a carabiner via the loop tab on the compression sack. You can take the Freerain 24 out of the compression sack in a heartbeat, and even though it's a bit fiddly at first to get it back in, it's something you get the hang of pretty quick. One feature that we're digging is that the compression sack is attached to the inside of the bag. This is a big deal for us because it means you'll never lose it. Now moving on to the shoulder straps that have been made of a thin mesh. When you've got a thin jumper on and you've got lighter items inside this bag, it provides a surprisingly comfortable carry. However, if you're going to carry those heavier items such as a laptop, then these straps can dig in. This is a pain, but when the trade-off is being able to compress this bag into a tiny sack the size of your hand, we're cool with that. As well as being able to adjust the length of the straps, the Freerain 24 also features load lifters. This means you can bring the top of the bag close to your back, improving the carry. And in testing, we were able to adjust the carry easily and efficiently between someone that's 6'4" and 5'7". And finally, on either side of this pack, you'll find mesh side pockets that are perfect for large water bottles. And the elastic mesh means that even if this bag is full to the brim, you can still use these side pockets to full capacity. The roll top opening gives you access to what is essentially a large bucket for you to chuck all of your stuff into. The main compartment is plenty big enough for a 15-inch laptop, and will still leave enough room for accessory pouches, jumpers and so on. However, because of the thin materials, this isn't going to give you much protection for your items, so we recommend using some padded pouches, and this will also help you get some of that internal organisation too. Additionally, we also recommend using a case for your camera and your laptop if you plan on putting these kind of things inside. Next up, there's a long zippered quick grab pocket at the front of this pack. This is great for any items you need in a hurry, saving you the hassle of opening the roll top. And as we mentioned before, the zipper is a sealed SBS zip. So while it's not completely waterproof like the main compartment, it's still highly weather resistant. We've been testing the Matador Free Rein 24 for 3 months now, and it's in use in Spain and in and around London and the UK. During that time, we've really enjoyed its practicality and the benefits of being able to bring a day pack along with us on one bag travel trips. We have found a few loose threads, and overall the craftsmanship isn't amazing, but nothing that affects the integrity of the pack. All of the other Matador gear we have been testing is still going strong, and after testing this pack for 3 months, we feel like the Free Rein 24 is trending in the same direction. Whereas our previously reviewed Matador DL16 excels in an urban city environment, the Free Rein 24 is the packable day pack you'll want to pick up if you're heading out somewhere more adventurous. This pack is the perfect companion for rainier climates, and the added load lifter straps provide a fully adjustable and comfortable carry system. In testing, we found that the few gripes that we do have, such as the thin mesh straps and the lack of protection, are heavily outweighed by the fact that this bag compresses so small. Moving on to some pros and cons, the main compartment is waterproof. This thing compresses incredibly small, and the side water bottle pockets and quick grab pocket are great features. Now on to the cons. We found the shoulder straps can dig in quite a bit. There is no internal organisation, and overall craftsmanship is quite poor with some loose threads already on show. The Matador Free Rein 24 is perfect for minimal one bag travellers who want an additional day pack without having to compromise on space. With its lightweight and durable material, waterproof main compartment and load lifters, this pack is ready for any adventure you are embarking on. Matador makes some of the best packable gear on the market, and they've hit it out the park again with the Free Rein 24. Thanks for taking a look at our review of the Matador Free Rein 24. Let us know in the comments what you think of this pack, and as ever, head over to packhacker.com/newsletter, sign up to our newsletter and never miss an update. Thanks for checking this one out. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure you're following at Packer, then Indico, the Free Rein.